Because you've done so well on your scale, we're going to add something fun today. So the ending of the piece is one of the nicest bits. It sounds very virtuosic, but it's really just a scale with one little turn in the middle. And that D arpeggio at the end. So scales and arpeggios can actually sound like beautiful music. So to learn this part, we're going to start with talking about how D major has a different pattern on the E string. When you're playing D major on the E string, you don't have high twos anymore, even though we did practice that high two in bar 21. Remember, that two was an accidental, so it's not really in the key. So in D major, on the E string, you have open E, F sharp, so that's a normally placed first finger. You have a low two, so your second finger is going to be next to the one, then normal third finger, and normal fourth finger, which we do have to play in this scale. So the first three notes of it, which we're going to do with our nice triple bow, are G, and then A, then B, play that much. But go a little slower. Listen for those beautiful tones to ring out clear. All right, after that part comes the big skip. You go from the 4 to the 1. Lucky for you, you already practiced that in one of our other spots. So you're going to do fourth finger on the B, back to F sharp on the 1. Now go back to the G, A, B, and add the F sharp. Once again. The next part's a skip. F sharp is going to go up to the A. Now you go backwards. The next part is going to be completely a scale. So starting from that high A, you're going to play A, G, F sharp, E, D, C sharp, that's back to a high two, B, A, G, F sharp, E, D. That's the whole scale from that section. I'll do it slowly this time. Play with me. G, F sharp, E, D, C sharp, B, A, G, F sharp, E, D. Then you've got your D arpeggio.